Hey, what you eating?
He smells. Jordan, you think can you
And that's Casey, huh?
teach Casey some new tricks? You think so?
What kind of tricks?
He'll bring in the paper in the morning.
Casey, come.
Good boy.
Learn his name finally.
Who's fine?
He cries, barks, whines, howls. He makes a lot of noise.
Especially at night.
Yeah. He had a breakthrough with Mark. I went through a whole routine with him about trying to get him to go outside, just to go out of the house. And got him 1 step out, 2 steps out. He could stand to be about a foot away from the door, and that was fine. Then all of a sudden, Mark takes him out. He's like,
Oh, I couldn't get him out of the backyard.
I'm free! I'm free! Now, the minute you open the door, he's
Yeah, you gotta watch it. You gotta close the door on his head.
right there.
It's going to be an outdoor dog.
Whoops. Well. Casey.
See the feathers on his already on his legs?
Yeah.
Maybe a long. You want to get in there?
Come on. Come on.
Right. That.
Come on, Casey. Yeah, boy. He does here.
Go back again.
That rock? What's the rock?
Casey.
Oh, that grass, I don't
I
know.
don't know.
Look at it. Look it over. I don't, look.
I don't like that one. Not mine. Tough dog.
Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. That's just a rock, you dummy. Go get him. Won't move. You'd have trouble with turtles, you would.
There, you got his paw.
He's used to having it move probably in the kitchen.
Well, also squeak.
Oh, all right.
That is funny.
Get the mouth around it?
Good Casey.
You lost track of.
You got the pooper scooper?
You should have seen him looking at
Easy.
a
Call me.
ball there.
Casey. Go on. So, okay, well, where's my treat? It's in there.
So, did you play?
Yeah, they won.
Did they? Like trash.
Maryland won, Virginia won,
Lake one.
Georgetown won.
Can you pet him, Jordan? Will you let you pet him?
Jordan, you got a new friend. You think he smells Gus?
Yeah, probably.
No, you can't go out in the road.
Casey, come.
One.
See who's got a friend already.
That was a good thing to teach him, wasn't it?
His name? That's a start, yeah.
Sure.
Back there, Casey.
Now, how big will he get?
Big.
Does he get big?
27, 28.
Christmas in March.
You have one of those, Jordan?
Well,
Not really. Kind
not really. So you just spin it right here on the paper.
Do you know how they work?
Yeah, I know how they work.
Try it.
Go get one.
Geese?
Paper.
Spin it better than that.
John Luke was mid.
What do you think?
Now put your hat on top of it. Yeah, there you go. Keeps the sweat out of your eyes.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, you look like you come right from Arabia.
Then you won't be a
Keeps your neck
redneck.
sunburned. That's right.
Color coordinated, huh?
Orioles.
And that's Casey. Oh yeah.
Take care.
I like that cap, that Orioles cap there.
Oh, it's I think it's baseball.
A little late for that.
Oh,
Cool.
I know, the sweatshirt.
gaps.
Never,
It is.
never too late.
Moccasins, not.
Nice. Thanks, Mark.
Boy, those are nice. Huh.
Those are nice. Right size and
Big.
everything.
Really?
I could fit them on now.
But don't put on your shoes on.
Friend gave that to her. Lois Piper, I think it was.
Good price for it there.
Man,
Nice.
Nice one. Redskin, it's the,
Oh
it's the
boy.
Redskin Cowboys, isn't it? The Washington Cowboys?
Boy, that's a nice one, isn't it?
Dallas
Oh.
Orioles.
Looking all over for one.
You know what that is?
Or Turner can't find anybody else in the Cowboys.
You know what that is?
That's what it is.
You know what that is, Mark?
Dakota.
Yeah.
There. I thought was that. The old farm.
Standing all farm.
Yeah. The old farm.
Like that. Great, thank you.
That's what I forgot to get my
Hey.
soccer ball.
You're not playing soccer.
Thompson.
Let's see that, John.
Play golf.
Yeah.
You ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Oops. Crash. I like it. My pen. Oh, it crashed.
Crashed again?
Yeah, that's stunk. Stunk really bad. What are you doing? Let's see. What? Yeah. Why do you need that? I have no idea why you need that.
Okay, you make a run now, huh?
What happened to the other one?
It's all broken.
Oh, broken.
All the wheels
It
fell.
crashed?
There it went.
Did you get it on tape? Is it on?
Yeah.
Oops.
Crash.
Push it. Now push it. Oh. Whoops. Here. The wheel's falling off. The wheel fell off. Here, I'll switch wheels. Switch wheels. You're wobbly.
Whoop.
Here, let me try. Press right into the bumper. Grandpa. Well, I'll
All
do
right,
it
where are
once
you?
and you do it. And Jordan will do it once.
Wait a minute. And made it.
Then turn.
Okay, nice and smooth.
Repair, repair. Ready, set, go.
Yeah.